In this video, I will show you how to use AI search mode on Facebook. First, you want to make sure that you're using the latest version of the Facebook app. To confirm, launch open Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar and here search Facebook. If you find the update option, tap on that to update the app to the latest version. Once that is done, launch open the Facebook app and log into your account. On the home screen, tap on the search bar at the top of your screen. Now, if Meta AI search is available in your account, you'll see options such as search with Meta AI, ask Meta AI, or create with Meta AI. To use AI search, tap on search with Meta AI, then type your question. For example, you can type in find hiking spots, then search for that. Now Meta AI will generate a response alongside with relevant Facebook posts, group pages, videos, and other related content. You can continue asking follow-up questions to get more detailed or specific result. If you want to create AI generated images instead, you can also tap on the create with Meta AI option. If you don't see the AI search option, then it might be because this feature is rolling out gradually. You simply want to wait for some time and keep your app updated, and you will get this feature eventually. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.